éventuellement.
Alors notre mandat à nous, c'est, comme je le disais à l'instant, je vous parle, il semblerait qu'une solution a été annoncée par le Premier ministre de Malte pour un débarquement. Alors ce qui permettrait effectivement, je parle au conditionnel parce que je n'ai pas encore eu cette information moi-même en direct, mais voilà, ça va être j'espère, confirmé très rapidement. Ce qui permettrait effectivement de débarquer les personnes dans un port sûr, proche, c'est-à-dire qu'on est sur quelque chose de logique géographiquement par rapport à la zone de sauvetage. Aucun, puisque l'Aquarius est entre Malte et l'Italie, donc il n'y a aucun navire. Of course, we are relieved that there is a solution coming for the 141 people that are currently on board the Aquarius. Secondly, we hope that this will be a start for a coordinated response at European level. We believe that the issue must be tackled at European level, that it's not only a problem that can be faced by one country. We have seen that Italy has been isolated for years, calling for European solidarity, and was left alone, facing this burden alone for years and years, and we know that it's not sustainable. So we really believe that there is a need, and it's urgent. There is a humanitarian tragedy which is still ongoing at sea. We need a mechanism to, first of all, rescue people at sea and then disembark them safely in a port of safety according to the criteria of maritime law.
Est-ce que, en tant qu'association, probablement personnalité juridique, est-ce que vous êtes
si ça serait les mécanismes que vous souhaitez ou si c'est
The situation on board the Aquarius is stable, but we are, of course, preoccupied because the people who were rescued on Friday are vulnerable. Most of them are coming from countries in conflict. There is a big group of Somali people and Eritrean people. Half of the people on board are minors. There are 67 children that are traveling alone without an adult, and they really need protection. There is a third of women, there are some pregnant women, there are some babies on board. So obviously it was not sustainable. We cannot keep on board Aquarius, even with all the care we provide to them, we cannot keep safely these people on board for a long period of time.